Hi, it's Joseph, and welcome back to the YouTube channel dedicated to San Miguel de Allende secrets. And today we're going to talk about tres leche cakes, that yummy Mexican milky cake that's available in every restaurant and every bakery. As always, if you need more information, in the descriptive box below are links to various websites, including Amazon.com, that features all 10 of the best-selling books in the San Miguel de Allende Secrets book series. Tres leches cake, like they're pictured on the right, has a troubled history with many cultures and nations anxious to lay claim to this popular dessert. Tres leches originated in England in the Middle Ages, categorized as a trifle cake. Soaking a cake was, and is still, an easy way to repurpose old or stale cakes and cookies so nothing is wasted. Other bakers feel the cake originated in Italy as a variation of tiramisu, another cake soaked in heavy cream and sugar. The cake arrived in Nicaragua on the east coast, which was then an English colony, between 1633 and 1860. The recipe quickly traveled north to Mexico, cementing the public perception of tres leches being a dessert offered today in every Mexican bakery and restaurant worldwide. The air bubbles in a tres leche sponge cake keeps it from getting mushy, as each layer is steeped in 3 milks: evaporated, condensed, and heavy cream or whole milk. Nestle's factories in Mexico pushed the cake by including a recipe for tres leches cakes printed on the outside of every can of evaporated milk, condensed milk, and cream produced during World War II. Just as an aside, condensed milk first came into use in the mid-1850s as a way to preserve milk in cans without refrigeration. Evaporated milk became available during the 1870s as milk companies heated the evaporated milk so that it would not spoil in the cans, making sugar unnecessary. They both became an immediate success in urban areas where fresh milk was difficult to distribute and store. The end result of the soaking is a wonderful milk-based cake being the centerpiece of any fiesta. Variations on tres leche cakes abound, as milk is a neutral flavor that readily accepts options to mix in, including rum, caramel, nuts, fruits, coconut, Kahlua, brandy, and pecan or peach schnapps. The cake is often topped with meringue, marshmallow fluff, Chambord, franganella, or sometimes white chocolate. Tres leche cakes today are made across the globe, including Brazil, Canada, Turkey, and Albania, where the cakes feature milk from cows, goats, and water buffaloes. As always, feel free to click subscribe now, and you'll get automatic notification of new videos as they appear here on the YouTube channel dedicated to San Miguel de Allende secrets.